I got you. What does this mean? And how do Americans say this sentence? I got you. This sentence is very common in English. It has many different meanings. And today we are going to talk about what this sentence means and how Americans pronounce it. So let's start with the pronunciation. I got you. Normally, when Americans are using this sentence and speaking fast, we love to mix the sounds of the word got and you. I got you. Listen to the sound change when I say this sentence faster and faster. I got you. 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 So, what happened? The end of the sound got and the beginning of the sound you changes. We take out the t sound in got and we change the y sound in you. We change it to this new sound, ch. Why? It is easier for my mouth to say got you than got you. So when I am speaking fast, I normally will say, I got you. I got you. I got you. Okay, teacher, so what does this mean? I got you has many different meanings in English. The first meaning is I will help, protect, or support you. For example, I have a huge project at work. I don't have enough time to finish. Will you help? Yeah, I got you. That means yes, I will help you. Sometimes when my son is at the park going down the slide, he is scared. So I will say, hey, it's okay. I got you. I got you. That means I am here. I will protect you. I got you also means I understand. For example, preheat the oven to 400 degrees, then bake the chicken for 20 minutes. Turn the chicken over and bake for another 5 minutes. You got me? I got you. I understand. I got you also means I caught you. This is very common to hear when kids are playing games with each other, or maybe when you are trying to get or catch an animal. Yet there he is, I got you. I got you. Crazy cat. And the last one, I got you sometimes means I will pay. For example, you and me are getting coffee together. You start to pay and I say, I got you. That means I will pay for your coffee. We have many phrases for this situation. I got you. I got it. It is the bill. I got it. Or it's on me. All of these mean I will pay. Okay, quick review. I got you. With fast American pronunciation, I got you. When do we use this? I can't afford the hotel this weekend. Can I stay with you on Saturday night? I got you. When you go to the store later, can you buy me face cream? The small jar, please. Not the jar with the green label, the jar with the blue label. You got me? I got you. Stop jumping around. I got you. Hey, put your wallet away. I got you. Okay, that is all for today's video. I hope this video helped you understand the different meanings for the sentence, I got you. I will have more videos coming soon about American pronunciation and other common English phrases. Don't worry, I got you.